Dr. Kelly Cooks. Today I am going to be making banana bread. You can make banana bread, banana loaf, banana cake, whatever you like. But here's something that I wanted to talk about. So I have a problem. I really like ricotta cheese in my banana items, but I don't have any. So something else I really like to use always is sour cream. I tend to always have sour cream in the fridge because I love to use it for everything. I make homemade enchiladas, put on baked potato, everything. Actually, I just kind of mix it into any kind of white sauce. That's what you're eating when you have my white sauce. So I always have sour cream, and did you know you can mix it in to banana bread, a quick and easy bread. You have bananas, sugar, some flour, sour cream, eggs, done. That's it. Pop it in the oven, nutritious and delicious, in about 15 minutes at 350. Yay.